Welcome to My Book Inspiration here on GaonaLive. This is the show where we're going to be interviewing movers and shakers of our country, as well as beyond our borders, people who are doing incredibly well in their various industries. And we're basically just going to get to find out a bit about them, as well as what the book has done for them. The value of reading. Why should one read? And a lucky person is also going to end up winning a book from our guest here today. First of all, why read so much? I'm assuming this is just part of, what you've possibly got stashed somewhere at home.
This is a very small part of my library, but I read because I'm curious. I think I'm a genuinely curious person. I have a genuine thirst or hunger to know stuff, particularly around the areas that I'm passionate about. So areas of economics, politics, business, that's the kind of books that I read, personal development, self-development. So I read a lot, and I think, in fact, I buy books more than I actually read.
I've always been a person who reads, but I think another thing is reading is an escape from your dull life sometimes, from your pressurized life. And I chose a particular genre while I was growing up, and that genre was reading about people's lives, autobiographies. And this was when I wanted to reach a certain point or reach a certain level in my life. And you'll find that, some people have done it. So you want to take a peek into their lives, how they've managed, or where their failings were, or what they thought they were before they became who they are, So reading is an escape.
Reading has a lot of benefits. I mean, they're well documented. But I think for me as an entrepreneur, reading has really helped me quite a lot. And also it allows you to, as you get in within the networking aspect of business, you talk about things that you read about. People don't ask you, where did you read this from? Where did you read this from? They just think that it's something that you know. So, but you've read about it from a magazine, a book, and all that. So reading helps you to have ability to make conversations when you network.